guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candice and today we are going to talk about Glamnetic. I'm very blessed that they've sent me PR, but prior to this I actually did spend my own money to try on their magnetic. That time they were still using mink lashes. Recently they have already launched faux minks and even half lashes, which is really good for hooded eyes. So giving you guys a little bit background of Glamnetic, it is an American company and is founded by Anne McFerrin. I think it's McFerrin. She is 26 years old when she founded this, and she founded it in her bedroom. She did it in her bedroom and now it's worth like multi-million dollars. If you guys don't know anything about her, there are a lot of articles online. She was even featured in Forbes. I'll link some articles down below so you can go check it out. But basically she have this background of in science and in as an artist as well. So she kind of put everything together, all of her experience, and formulated this magnetic lashes. I've tried a few magnetic lashes on the market and I have to say they do have one of the best. Their magnets is very strong hold, but at the same time it is easier to remove. I have tried magnetic lashes that is so strong that literally pull off my own lashes and it's so painful. But their one is slightly different. I think it's in their liner, in their magnetic liquid liner. So this is the set that I bought the first time. It is Jumping on a Jet set, I think, and it comes with Lush and Lavish. It is retailing for $99.98 US, but they are having 10% sales as of now. If you want more discount, you can check out my discount code, which is Candice Artley, for 15% off. I actually really like their packaging. It's so cute. They have these little quotes on it say, "Lashes so long I can see my haters," and "Know your worth, then add tax." It is so cute. So both of these is mink lashes, and Lush is what they call long and round looking, and Lavish is long and wispy. Both of them are made by 100% premium mink. So all of their lashes comes with 6 magnets. That's why it stays really long. So just this few months, I would say, they contacted me and they sent me these. These came from in a PR. This is their new series of faux minks, and you can see that the packaging is different. I personally prefer this kind of packaging. It's like a little drawer style, and because the front is clear, so I can already see the style instead of me having to open all of the boxes to find the right lashes that I was looking for. So this is definitely a plus point for me. They have a little magnet at the end, so your drawer won't actually fall out. So this is VIP, is medium cat eye, and the length is 13 to 16 millimeter, and bandwidth is 2.8 centimeter. Whereas for Vibe, it's considered long cat eye, is from 9 to 16 millimeter, and both of them are 100% high quality synthetic fibers. And all of their new lashes apparently now comes with this thing called anchor. And because I've tried their lashes before, what I noticed is that with hooded eyes like mine, what happened is usually after a few hours, I noticed in the inner corner it will usually come off because my lid would kind of like push them off. So I think this is what the anchor is for. Now all of their sets will come with 4 anchors, 2 for each lash. And so since I bought the set, it came with eyeliners and they gave me their latest magnetic liquid liner as well. So this is how it looks like, the old and the new one. I can't tell for sure if there's anything different with the formula because my old one has already dried out, unfortunately. But it actually felt pretty much the same when I applied it on. I have to be honest, when it comes to this liquid eyeliner, it's not exactly my favorite. I feel like there is a few pros and cons, and pros being that it's really easy to remove, but con is it's pretty hard to apply, I would say, because it's very thick and it's very chunky. So what I need to do is usually I'll put it down and I'll use another black eyeliner to make sure that it's sharp. However, I saw on their website that they do have felt tip liner now. I haven't had the chance to try it, but I figure that will be basically the solution to this because they just dry out too fast and they doesn't make the line straight. So it's an extra step, I would say. It's definitely still usable, but it's just an extra step. Without further ado, I'm gonna put you guys closer so you guys can see how it looks like. My lashes are naturally curlier, so I usually use my finger to press down my natural lash and then put on the eyeliner. So to clean up the liner, I usually just use any black felt tip liner or brush liner and just go over the top, kind of fill in the gap. Before you put them on, make sure that you take out the anchor first. And if you worn this before, make sure the magnet is clean, there's no residue on it, or else it won't stick on. This one is VIP. It is so beautiful. This one is Vibe. It looks so gorgeous. It's definitely one of those cat eye and almond eye, fox eye kind of look, which has been trending recently. And if you're someone like me who have hooded eye and you notice that the inner corner tends to pop off, this is how you apply the anchor. It really does help holding it. It basically sandwich your natural lashes so it doesn't come off no matter how windy it is. The one good thing about magnetic lashes is that if you do put on a style and you don't think it's quite right, you can just take them off and then put another style. If you've done this multiple times, you will notice that you probably have to reapply, and that is fine. That's all you need to do, and just give it a few seconds to dry and you're good to go. So this one is Lush. This is their Mink lash, and it is super extra and I love it, especially with makeup on. It just looks so good. This is the style Lavish, and it's also Mink. It's a little worn out because I have them for so many years and I've worn them so many times. Now let's talk about cleaning. So after every wear, you have to take it off and just use a Q-tip to kind of lightly brush the magnets. It is so easy to clean, I promise, compared to the usual falsies where you kind of take out the glue, and if you pull it too strong or pull the wrong line, you ended up destroying the whole lashes. With magnets, that's almost very unlikely, especially since you're using a Q-tip instead of a tweezer. So maintenance-wise, definitely it's a lot quicker and it lasts a lot longer. Plus, because it is magnet, so even in the box, there's like a strip of magnet. So I realized that the shape tends to stay better compared to the other falsies. So overall, do I think magnetic lashes should stay? Definitely, I think this is a trend that's worth staying. It is so much quicker to do my lashes, and especially for beginners, if you struggle to put on lashes, I think magnetic can really help you, because all you need to do is just to do the liner and the magnets will do its own magic. And after trying so many different magnetic lashes brand, Glamnetic is definitely one brand that I would recommend to all of my friends and my family. The only thing I would ask them to avoid is probably the magnetic liner. I personally really want to try the felt tip liner, and I saw that they have many other color felt tip liner as well. I really like them as a company. I think they're very innovative and I think they are listening to their customer. For instance, the hooded eye, they have the anchor, and with the liquid liner, they came out with the felt tip, and just for that alone, I'll forever support Glamnetic as a brand. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye!